Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Windows using Veeam Agent for Microsoft Windows, full guide step by step clearly. Open Veeam Agent for Microsoft Windows on your computer. Click on the backup option in the main menu. Select Volume Backup to backup entire volumes or file level backup for specific files and folders. Choose the option that suits your needs best. Click on Add Backup to start configuring your backup job. Select the volumes you wish to back up. Ensure you check the boxes next to the drives you want to include. Click Next to proceed with the backup configuration. Now, select the backup destination. You can choose a local folder, an external drive, or a cloud storage option. If you select a local folder, make sure there is enough space available for the backup. Provide a name for the backup job for easy identification. Next, configure the backup schedule. Choose on a schedule for automatic backups or select manually for one-time backups. Set the specific time and frequency that suits your needs. Click Next to review your configurations. Confirm that all settings are correct. Click Finish to save your backup job. You are now back at the main menu where your new backup job is listed. To start the backup process, select the job and click Run. The software will begin the backup, showing progress and estimated time. Once the backup completes, a summary will appear detailing the results. You can check the backup log for more information on the process if needed. To ensure successful backups, periodically review and run your backup jobs. Consider testing the restore process from your backups regularly to confirm their integrity. Veeam Agent will now keep your selected files and volumes safe based on your configuration. You have successfully set up a backup using Veeam Agent for Microsoft Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.